Hi, I'm Leanne, and I've just done this kind of funky avant-garde makeup look, and now I'm going to do a double cleanse using the new Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. It's going to take off this neon orange, it's going to take off this neon pink, it's going to take off my waterproof mascara, it's going to take off my SPF, scoop out, a generous amount, about this much, put it onto my hand like so. I'm going to rub and apply to dry skin. I like to start on the eye area here. This is the area where I'm wearing the most waterproof makeup, and then I move the rest of the oil once it's kind of melted to the rest of my skin. It's ophthalmologist tested, it's great for sensitive skin, and it just takes everything off so quickly. Like, look. It also has fruit enzymes in it because of the papaya, and it will gently kind of resurface your skin. Nothing crazy, very gentle exfoliation, which is really nice. It's also loaded with oil, so it has papaya seed oil, apricot kernel oil, camellia seed oil. All of those things are going to be very hydrating. When you remove this, it doesn't leave your skin feeling tight. It actually leaves your skin feeling so hydrated, but not greasy. All right, so I think my makeup, it has been sufficiently broken down, and I'm going to start emulsifying this in water. So, honestly, you can just stop here. I don't necessarily need a double cleanse, but because I was wearing so much makeup, I am going to. And that's what's so great about this system, because there's the Blueberry Blast Cleanser. And there you have it. My skin feels clean. My makeup is completely off. I'm ready to kind of move on with the rest of my skincare. So it's really nice. It feels good. It smells good. It feels like you're giving yourself a little bit of a pamper sesh. So this is it. Skin looking good. I'm gonna put my moisturizer on, a little bit of serum, a little bit of lip balm, and I will see you guys later. Bye.